Okay, guys, welcome to the project. Actually didn't want the time to be too long on a particular class, tutorial class rather. So I decided to end it. So far so good. We have actually built this calculator till this very point, and it is very clear, simple, concise, and straightforward. Okay. So the next thing we are going to do right now is to tweak it a little bit. Okay, let's say normally um when this option comes out, select the operation to carry out. Okay, so you might have 1 2 3 4 5. Sometimes the user might just want to, let me clear this. Sometimes the user might just forget to select from the um numbers that are displayed. You might just click on any number. So we want the user to know that this number you have entered is not correct. You should make the right choice. Okay, so let's just say elif choice is not equal to 1 2 3 4 5. Let's say whatsoever the user may have pressed, we want computer to give out an output. Okay, that output is going to be something like, please select the right input below. Okay, so please select the right input below. Okay, so this is what we intend the computer to display whenever a user decides to press any number that is not 1 2 3 4 or 5. It could be number, it could be letter, it could be any character. As long as it is not one of these numbers, this message will come out. Okay, so let's go further. Now, assumably, um, after each of the operations, let's say um, after the addition operation, normally a choice is supposed to come to us to ask us if we still want to, because sometimes we might just want to do just addition or just subtraction or just multiplication, as the case may be. But if you observe, when we're running the program, after the operation, the system will still display for us to select another operation without asking us if we still want to carry out any other operation. So we're going to write a code that will either give us that choice. Let's say, let's name it another. Let's name the variable another. It's going to be needing an input. So ask, do you want to perform another operation? Do you want to perform another operation? So we want the user to select. Okay, so we'll give a choice, yes or no. Then we'll get our new line, yes or no. Okay, so we get our new line. Sorry about that. Now we want to give a condition. If another is equal to a no, for instance, a no, we want to tell the system, that means no simply means you don't want to perform any other operation. We want to tell the system, we want to tell the user, thank you for using me today. Okay, thank you for using me today. Then the next command we're going to use is the break statement. Now this break will actually break off whatsoever that the computer would have actually done, should in case we said no. Now this no simply means there is no further operation to be carried out. We don't want to do again. Is it by force? that kind of a thing. So this break statement is going to break off whatsoever the system would have done. So let's start from the beginning again. Select the operation to perform. Let's go for 1. What is your first number? 20. What is the second number? 30. Addition of 20 and 30 is 50. Now, have you seen? Do you want to perform another operation? Now, we have the choice to either say yes or no. So, if we say yes, we'll continue. Select the operation to use. Let's say 2. What is your first number? 20. What is your second number? Let's say 10. Subtraction of 20 and 10 is 10. Do you want to perform another operation? Yes. Select the operation. 3. 3 is multiplication. Let's say 20. First number. What is your second number? Say 2. So it will be easier for us to understand. Multiplication of 20 and 2 is 40. As you can see here. I hope you're following. Okay, so at the end of this project, we are still going to build other projects, but I want you to take your time to understand this project and see how you can actually replicate all what I have done here. They are very simple. Whatever you don't understand, come back to me and we will explain that. Okay, so the next question is, do you want to perform another operation? So yes. Select the operation to perform. 4. What is your first number? Let's say 10. What is your second number? Let's say 3. Division of 10 and 3 is 3 points, and so on and so forth. Do you want to perform another operation? Yes. Select the operation to perform. Okay, let's say the last one. What is your first number? 10. Don't mind me with 10 and 3. Second number 3. Okay, so exponentiation of 10 and 3 is equal to 1000, meaning that this 10 is raised to the power of 3. That means 10 in 3 places. 10 times 10 times 10. Okay, so now the system is asking us, do you want to perform another operation? If I say no, the system breaks. That means the Python compiler will jump out of this loop, meaning that we have come to the end of the loop. So let's just say yes. I want to show you something. Let's say yes. Now select the operation that you want to carry out. Let me select the number that is not out of this, that is not part of this 1 to 5. Let me say 6. Oh, you have seen. Please select the right input below. Do you want to perform another operation? Yes. Select the operation to perform. Let me say 9. Please select the right input. Do you understand? Now, do you want to perform another operation? In this case, now I'm going to say no. And a message is displayed. Thank you for using me today. I hope you have enjoyed this class. We're going to be building a whole lot of live and real life projects, just like we've done here, and you're going to enjoy. This is just an addition. It's not part of the class anyways, but I just decided to do this to let you know that Python is something you cannot just do without. If you're a good programmer, you will love it. Okay, see you in